Hello everyone, welcome back to my another tutorial. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how to share long videos on Facebook story once when I am going to upload a video to Facebook story. Normal way. But Facebook says the video story no longer than 26 seconds. So however, we are going to share long video to Facebook story. To complete this Facebook story, we need a What's Cut Pro. You can simply download it from Google Play Store. Just search as What's Cut Pro. This is the application we need to go. After download, open it. The main page looks like this. Sometimes it asks to create an account with email. In the top corner, you can see an icon as video cutter. Click on it. Then select the video, what you like to share Facebook story. This video long for 59 seconds. But you can try this with any duration video longer than 5 minutes or more. After select the video, click the next. Now you can see a page, like this. You should select WhatsApp status 15 seconds. Next step, choose the manual share. Now you can see your video with 15 seconds parts. Select the share icon on part 1, not the WhatsApp icon. Following this method, you can post longer videos to WhatsApp status. Click on the WhatsApp icon. But in this video, I am going to share a video to Facebook story. In this page, click the others icon. Okay, now you can see Facebook story icon. Click on it. Now click the share to story. You can see your video will upload on your phone status bar.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road.
You should do the same all parts on your video. I am going to share my all video parts to Facebook story. After complete the share video parts, we can check it is work or not.
Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone.
so you can see Facebook story working good with this video. If you're following this, please comment me below. Is it work or not? Just subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you, have a nice day.